Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki KRX 1000. We've just installed the Super ATV full flip-up windshield on this. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the install and how the windshield works. You can see they've got a nice clamp system on the sides where the shock system is also located. Nice durable hinges up top. It also attaches up on the top crossbar as well. So how does it work? Let's say it's cool in the morning, you're going down the trail, you don't want any airflow on you. You can have the window all the way shut. As it begins to heat up during the day, you can pop this open and put this down into the first position, and now you've got airflow on both the driver and the passenger sides. That's going to be great to get that airflow inside, get the air movement inside the vehicle. We'll take a look at it from the side view. Got a nice couple inches there. The nice thing about the Super ATV windshields is they are very durable. They are quite scratch resistant. We'll talk a little bit about care at the end of the video. Now, if you're going down the trail, you want full visibility or this thing gets plastered with mud, simply open this baby up and let it go up on the shocks. Now, these shocks are strong enough that you can actually go riding down the trail in the far open position. As far as care for the windshield, these windshields will last you a long time if you do a couple of things. One, if you get mud on it, don't scrape it off with your hand. Simply take a hose, wash the mud off, clean it with a nice microfiber towel. Now, as you're going down the trail, starts to cool back off in the evening, simply pull it back shut and lock it into position. Great windshield from Super ATV. We do have these in stock. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you have any questions, my name's Jared, and my cell phone, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody.